Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video we are going to show you how to log into your WhatsApp account in your mobile. So to log into your WhatsApp account in your mobile, you have to just go to your WhatsApp app. You can see here you have to click on agree and continue. You have to give your phone number here. You have to click on next. You have to choose your postal code and country here. As you can see here, you have already given your number. You can also change it. For that you have to just click on edit, or else you can just click on OK. WhatsApp will send you a verification code and you have to type verification code on your mobile. We are verified here. And now WhatsApp is asking us to allow our medias to WhatsApp. And now WhatsApp is asking you to give access to our medias to WhatsApp. You can just click on not now, or you can just click on continue. I'll just click on continue here. WhatsApp is asking to give access to our contacts to WhatsApp. You can click on deny, or you can click on continue. I'll just click on continue here. You can allow WhatsApp to access the SD card. I'll just click on allow here. As you can see here, our data is backed up. You have to just click on next. We have to give our name here and click on next. You can click on daily or weekly or monthly or never and click on done. And yes, we are logged into our WhatsApp account here. And if you guys find our video helpful, then you can just click on like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. Thank you.